day I'm hustling, 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 hustling,
It's your
hustling,
boy,
hustling,
Ski.
hustling, 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 hustling.
Welcome back to the Matrix. You're not just in the Matrix, you are the Matrix. How's it feel, Neo? Ha ha! What's going on? It's your boy Ski, and today we have a banger daily market news analysis. So without any further ado, let's bring the action. All right, y'all. What is up? Phil says, what's good, Ski? What is up, bro? Friday says, yo, it's your boy, Ski. Manja says, hey, Devin, what is up? What is up? What is up? Let's get some music on. That's what's up. What do you guys want? You guys want some EDM or some... We'll do about right there. Create one for me. What is up, bro? This song's hype. We gotta get this song right. Raymond, thank you for becoming a subscriber, brother. I appreciate you.
But the cream will rise to the top. Oh, yeah.
All right, so today ISO went live, and a lot of the coins were dropping with this live ISO drop. The one that was going pretty crazy on the day was XDC. My man XDC to $10 is loving life right now at 4.2 cents, up 20% on the day. You love to see that. Next Bitcoin targets to look out for. I got you, bro. How are we looking on TikTok today? I know we were having some struggles yesterday. All right, so right now with Bitcoin, we are currently fighting the 236. Technically this is a couple of three rejections off of the 236. Let's look at the RSI on the daily. It could go a little bit higher, but it wouldn't be weird to get rejected off of this, come back down to 25,300 before then going off and away for the rest of this move. Now, if we get a body close on top of the 236, you would like to see it kind of hang out there, which is about where we're at right now, about 28,000. Build some support there, and then the next move from that is going to be 30,000 to the upside. And then once we start seeing a lot of this right here, we come on here and we start seeing a lot of altcoins being up, 20, 30, 40, 50% on the day. That leads me to believe that the Bitcoin dominance is sliding, and when the Bitcoin dominance starts sliding, damn, of course, waits the liquidity. So Bitcoin dominance is 46% right now. So once it starts sliding, Bitcoin holds, and then other coins start going. Mountain Apes, thank you for the follow, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top. Oh, yeah.
That's when the end of this move is going to be done, in my opinion. So I have price targets in my head, but in reality, I'm just looking for certain criteria to be met, and that's really it. You come on here, and then like there's 3 or 4 coins up 40-50% on the day, as well as the Bitcoin dominance sliding probably under 30-35%, that would lead me to believe that the Bitcoin move right here, this retracement, is about done. So we're kind of in just like this was a critical point, this is another critical point. So we got to get through this level. What site is that, sir? The charts? This one right here? Or the other one that I was looking at? Crypto Bubbles. Which site are you referring to? Because I've looked at 3 different sites. So this is TradingView. This one right here is TradingView. This is a free charts website that you can use. Crypto Bubbles noted. This is Crypto Bubbles. It just kind of gives you like a little snapshot of what the market is doing on the hour, on the day, on the week, on the month, and so on. Right here, this is called Coin Market Cap. It's a good resource for general information on different cryptocurrencies. Is there more in there, more liquidity up or down? We're kind of in a range right now, to be honest with you, Jeff. Like, it wouldn't be weird for it to, like, this is kind of no man's land. I am biased towards it getting rejected off this 236, come back down to 25,300 and then go off. But it wouldn't be weird for it to just shoot right through it because of how it just fell right through it. Typically in the markets, possible retest on 25,000 on Bitcoin. I think so. Typically in the markets, when you have these like moves to the downside, you have an equal move to the upside. It's almost like a, it's kind of woo-woo, but there's almost like a yin and a yang to the market. So when you see these huge downslides, you'll see the same upslide too. The same thing is true. Like when you see a huge upslide, you'll see a huge downslide on the as well. Do you think we'll rise a bit more before we drop to 26K? Yo, Ski, any reason XTC pumping? That's what's gonna happen, in my opinion. There's gonna be coins that are kind of onesie and twosieing, moving like crazy. NKN. Chinese crypto's exploding today. So do you think we'll rise a bit more before we drop? Hey, Yi, we're kind of in no man's land right now. We need to see what she's gonna do. We need to see where this move is gonna finish. I'm biased towards it getting rejected at the 236 here, and then coming back down to the 25,300. That's where my bias is towards, but we'll see. NKN, I got you, bro. Turbo, thank you for the follow, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
So we got to see how this plays out. We're still in the new moon energy, so that is something to consider as well. Ultimately, this is where I think we're going. 35,000 as high as 50,000. Once we start getting above 30,000, 31,000, like I'm going to start taking profits. Because I accumulated a lot down here. XTC getting some love. I know, right? Let's look at XTC real quick. How we looking on TikTok? I know we were having problems yesterday. We're good. Pretty smooth today. Sweet. Yeah, you guys got like, that was the most watch time on YouTube that I've ever had on a live stream by a lot. So that was awesome. Have I heard about Love Hate Inu? I haven't. Thank you for the share. Let's go. Let's get these likes up. Make sure you guys are spamming that like button. Hitting that share. Yeah, XCC. See what I mean with like this, like, this is the same opposite move right here. Actually, let me do like a measured move here. Oops. Where's my little... So like it's basically the same like length right here. But this happens all the time in crypto. Like the same down will be the same up, and the same up is the same down. So this is pretty much this move right here. This move right here is pretty much this. These are one and the same. Very interesting. So yeah, it wouldn't be weird. It's busting through the automatic rally here. It wouldn't be weird for it to get up to 5.5 cents. Is kind of the next level for XCC. All right, let's look at NKN for my man Friday. My man stayed over there because he's a savage on YouTube. Yeah, you guys were awesome yesterday on the live stream. More watch time on YouTube than I've ever had on a live stream, by double. So that was awesome. Cause I got to get my watch time up. So you guys are a bunch of savages. What was the one? What was the Love Hate Inu? What is that? What is the ticker for that one? Brethren. Is this music too loud? It's your boy Ski. Waking up to the morning popping off. Nothing popping off was sad. Yeah, man, that's how it goes. Whenever we anticipate a huge pump, typically it doesn't happen. Also, like whenever we anticipate a huge dump, typically it doesn't happen either. Like, what was it? March 10th was supposed to be the Mount Gox dump. Like, the move was already done by then, pretty much. I think we dipped maybe slightly more, but nothing too crazy. All right, NKN. Retracement 68 cents, maximum retracement 93 cents. Can you check out H-Bar, you OG savage? I got you, bro. Coinbase is going to allow Ripple to come back. What do you think? Well, any microcaps you're looking at, I am. I got you, bro. Would you like to buy... So first of all, Ripple and XRP are not the same. They're not the same coin. So that's one thing to... Ripple is a centralized company that utilizes the decentralized cryptocurrency that is XRP. A parabolic level for Friday, $4.58. So that's one thing. Secondly, would you prefer to buy the asset before it's on America's biggest exchange or after? Yo, Ski! What do you think about Quorum? Can't wait for the airdrop on Uphold. Yeah, Mark, it's like a little dirty little word trick that they've done. It's a honestly like a dirty little trick that they've done to be able to like almost trick you with the verbiage. Trick regular people, trick I don't think they're gonna trick the lawyer or the judge, but still, like just the whatever sentiment on something is it can play a huge factor. So Ripple is a centralized company. They made it seem like Ripple was XRP, exactly by design. By design, my friend. So, but yeah, Ripple is a centralized company. CEO is Brad Garlinghouse, but XRP is a decentralized cryptocurrency. It's not owned by any one person. Now it has like nodes, and whoever has the biggest nodes, just like if I had a Bitcoin miner, and let's say I had 50% of all the hash power, like I would have a lot of control over what the network was going to do over Bitcoin. Now, Ripple is the biggest share. Like they have the most amount of XRP out of anybody, but they are not XRP. They're not the same. All right, so full court microcaps that I'm looking at right now. One microcap in particular that I'm going to be looking to rotate some of my profits into after like we crash is going to be Dent. Dent is one that I'm looking at. Ergo, if you count Ergo as a microcap, like what is the, like here's Dent right now, 0.001 cents. What is Ergo's? Well, let's go to Crypto Bubbles. It'll tell me more accurately on there. So Ergo is number 284, so right around the same range as Dent. I would call these like small on the smaller end, medium, and then Flux as well. But Flux is probably like 200, 185. So these are some smaller cap ones. My like micro cap is Sauce, but I've already told you guys about that. So do I have it right when I say XRP is backed by gold, XLM is backed by silver? That's what they say. I don't know if I don't know if I believe that. Evening. Gala, I got you. Insurance. That's interesting. Gala. Anyone got 1 million from crypto? If you do, don't tell nobody. It's not a good idea to tell people exactly what you have. Gala. All right, let me shut my door. It's getting cold in here. 1 second. She says, "Who dey?" I'm a Browns fan. Dang, everybody's pouring in now. Let's go. Run it up, run it up, run it up, run it up, run it up. XTC though. She's pumping. Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Run it up, run it up, run it up, run it up, run it up. Yeah, make sure you guys are spamming that like button. Same rules apply as yesterday. I know the TikTok stream is good today, but same rules apply as yesterday. If you head over to YouTube and say you're from TikTok, I will shout you out because I ain't gonna hold y'all. I need the watch time. What's Bitcoin going up to? Somewhere between 35,000 and 50,000 ultimately is where we're going to go. Sometime before May. Now, when we start getting above 31,000, like, I'm going to start taking profit. I'm going to start taking profit. I think I'm going to settle on a mix between USDC, USDT, USD, and DAO. I think I'm going to split it between the four. DAN is something that I'm looking at rotating back into. Polygon Matic. I got you. I don't really like this song. Let me skip this shit. I might go to EDM. What are you guys feeling? You guys feeling some lo-fi or some like EDM? Let me know. You guys want lo-fi, what we got right now, or EDM? Mark, that's right. Sell, sell. Because what goes up must come down. Says EDM. Alright. I think I like the EDM too, actually. Let me know if it's too loud. So at this stage of the market, if we get all the way up to 50K, like, I'm only going to be taking about 50% at the most. Okay, I'm going to hold 50% for I'm wrong bag and we're going parabolic, right? At most. But about like 35K, I plan to take about 30%. My nonsense coins that are not like my forever coins, I'm going to go a little bit more extreme on. But a good rule of thumb is anytime you double your money, it's a good idea to just take 10% off the table. Realistic price for Bitcoin is 150K. I think so. Good day, sir. Good day. Hailstorm. Do we have a new ABC wave? We need to figure out where this one is going to finish. We're kind of in the middle of a move right now. When alts start pumping is going to be towards the end of this move. The Bitcoin dominance is going to go down. So right now the Bitcoin dominance is, can you guys see that? I don't think you can see it. It's 46.3%. 46.3%, which is like huge. So when this starts to go down into like the mid to low 30s, other coins are going to start pumping. And that lets me know that this move is over. When the Bitcoin dominance goes down and Bitcoin's still holding, that lets me know like this move's about done. She's about done. Realistic price. All right, let's get some of these coins. HBAR, Insure, Gala. Angel, that's just how it goes. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Typically, the actual event is very typically very anticlimactic. Jonty, thank you for the follow, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Yes, that is correct. The move about done, 35 to 50K. But if we're at 32K and Bitcoin dominance is plummeting, like, okay, that's it. You know what I mean? Like, I'm not married to my numbers. Like, I will pivot in a heartbeat. Is it true that HBAR was hacked? HBAR was not hacked. A decentralized application that was involved with HBAR was hacked. They shut down the ability to do transactions temporarily. No money was lost as of right now. Where do you track Bitcoin dominance? Coin market cap. It's right at the very top. I don't know if you can see it. The way that my screen is, but it's at the very top. Right where my mouse is. I don't think you can see it on my screen because the way but it's right here at the top, right on the home page. Full Court says, play some Creed. Can you take me higher? I would, but I get they'll ban my stream. Can you take? All right, let's get some of this. HBAR, Gala, Insure. Can you take me higher? Make sure you guys are spamming that like button. DGB, I got you, bro. All right, so automatic rally, we already hit it, got rejected cleanly. I know I called it out, like I would be taking profit here at the 8.88 cents is where I called it out. It went a little bit higher, but I mean, dude, it won't let me. It won't let you what? What are you talking about? It won't let you what, Mark? Retracement level for HBAR is 30 cents. Maximum retracement 40 cents. Oh. That's crazy. TikTok out here trying to shadow ban you, boy. Damn. Parabolic level $1.97. Now, realistically, I'm going to be taking profits on HBAR 88 cents all the way up to $2 is how I'm going to play HBAR. Damn, they don't want y'all to know the truth? That's crazy. All right, Gala. I think it was for Nas. I don't know how to pronounce your name. Thanks, boss. HBAR for sure, a hidden gem. I like HBAR. All right, Gala. Automatic rally, 6.3 cents. Retracement for Gala is 42 cents. Max retracement is 58 cents. These are good levels to take profits at, guys. Parabolic level for Gala is $2.97. Now, realistically, anything between like 2 and 3 is going to be the high end of the parabolic level. Yeah. All right. No problem. But I would still take profit at the retracement as well. Like a little 10, 20% at 58 cents as well as at 41 cents. Dang. Yeah, if you guys head over to YouTube from TikTok stream, if you stream on there and let me know you're from TikTok, I will shout you out. I need that watch time up. Loop Network, I got you. Says I got to see a rug pull today. Hope that never happens. Which one? Oliver says, you think Gala will go parabolic in 2025 or just retrace or don't know? Honestly, I don't know, which is why I always say the retracement levels. And I always think it's a good idea to take profit. Dude, XCC is on the move. I just got a notification on my phone. XRP, ETH, Bitcoin, ICP. I don't know which coins. If I have a bias, it's gonna be Gala will go parabolic because the community is so strong. However, I don't know, which is why I always say the retracement levels because it's always a good place to see. XDC is on the move. Since streaming, it's up like another 5% or something. 2%. Since I've been streaming, this thing's up like 2 or 3%. Dude, Hex is on the move for real. Can you do quorum? I got you. What do you think about XRP? XRP is my biggest bag. XRP is the winner. If there is a such thing as a start over of grand magnitude, XRP is the winner. If that's real, X to the R to the P is the winner. Make no mistake about it. All right, DGB. XLM. I got you. I like XLM too. Top 10 for me. Oh, Digibyte. I don't know why, but every time I see this, it just reminds me of like Bakugan or something. What was those like monsters? Thank you for the follow, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
What was those monsters? Like one of the off-brand Yu-Gi-Ohs? Thank you for the follow, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
He says, come on, you're drinking that Kool-Aid too. Come on. Now, I'm not drinking the Kool-Aid because I'm not telling you it's going to $5.89 and it's going to like 1,000 or 10,000 or all this nonsense. I think $5 to $11 is a realistic price target for XRP. I'm not a part of any cult. I'm not a Hexagon. I'm not an XRP army. I'm not a Bitcoin maxi. None of that. I don't date it. I just trade it. All right, DGB. Automatic rally, 2 cents. Retracement, 8.6 cents. Maximum retracement, 12 cents. Parabolic level for DGB is 59 cents. I don't date it. I just trade it. The Ray. Thank you for the follow, brother. You savage. Loop. I've been DCA 100 a week since 2021. Love your content, bro. You truly are a savage. You wrote it all the way down. Hold on, let me fix my... Truly a savage. XRP all day. Did you ever look at Songbird? What is the what's the ticker for that? What's the ticker for Songbird? That's what's gonna make you the most money over time for the regular people, SGB. All right, I got you. It's just a dollar cost average. Parabolic for XTC. I got you, bro. Loop. Damn, this thing already is parabolic. This hasn't went through a true bear market, so I'm gonna like read the charts on this, but there's not enough data. I can already tell you. All right, so the 2618 is technically a parabolic level, and we're pretty much there. We're pretty much already there. Hopefully you were dollar cost averaging, because you have a 5x. Anytime you have a 5x, like take your original out. Not financial advice, but like you could take your original out and just let your other 4x ride. The next level is going to be 13 cents, 16 cents beyond that. But this thing hasn't had a true parabolic level. I would be looking for a pullback for sure. Or, I mean, this thing hasn't had a true bear market. But I mean, if you're up 5x right now, like, good idea to take some profits. He says someone that's big in the crypto market said that Bitcoin is going to 1 million in 90 days. What are your thoughts? I don't know anything about this one, Loop Network. I just know that it's done a 5x, and if you have a 5x, like take one of your x's out and let the rest ride. Like, that's a good strategy. Not financial advice. Listen, people have this idea that it's one or the other, right? It's bear market or it's bull market. It's bear market or it's bull market. In reality, 90% of the market looks like this. It's crab market. Literally 90% of the time. I seen the video. 90% of the time, the market is sideways. So just because the bottom is in, and I can tell you firmly that the bottom is in, doesn't mean the bull market parabolic loony land has started. In reality, I don't think we're getting to that point at least until 2025. Bitcoin, in my opinion, over the next 90 days is going to be, at the most, is 50K. Now, I think what he was referring to, perhaps, if I were to give him the benefit of the doubt, is eventually, I think if I were to give him the benefit of the doubt, I think what he was saying is eventually Bitcoin will be $1 million, which I think will probably happen, over decades. And I think also what he was saying is over the next 90 days, we'll have hyperinflation, which the Fed is like literally bailing out the banks right now as we speak. So that is going to happen. We were already, like, just to put it in perspective, them bailing out Silicon Valley and all that, to put it in perspective, the year of quantitative tightening that we had, all the money that they sucked out over a year, they took half of it back in one day. One day, they took half the money that they sucked out by quantitative tightening, they printed it back. So effectively, the whole last year was pretty much for nothing. Because they just reverse it just like that. $2 million bet that Bitcoin hits 1 million in 90 days. That's wild. Yeah, that is wild. Like, good luck with that. I mean, bro, I'll gladly. Thank you for the roses, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
I would gladly take $1 million Bitcoin. I wouldn't be mad at all. But I'm realistic. Like, I don't live in La La Land, personally. Like, I don't even think Bitcoin's going to go to past 200,000 in 2025. Like, I think the max for Bitcoin's about 150 to 207 is like the actual max. The next bull run, in my opinion. based off of Fibonacci's. All right, XRP. I don't think they're. I think they pivoted, bro. Like this is going to be a really big meeting. They can say 0.25. They can say that, right? However, like they have literally already bailed out the banks. So effectively, if you bail out the banks, if you give them money to have liquidity so that they don't collapse, what are you doing? You're turning the money printer on. So they can call it 0.25, but they already have pivoted. They haven't pivoted on paper. However, in practicality, they have already pivoted. What are your thoughts on day trading? I think that 99% of people shouldn't day trade. If you want to be a successful day trader, you have to really work on your strategies. You have to be consistent with all that. You have to take 100% accountability. But in reality, you really got to work on your own emotions, your own psyche, because it takes almost like a psychopath to be able to do this day trading like effectively over time. Familiar with bot trading? I am. I don't think it's a good idea. Personally. DG just said think what? Did I miss your comment? I don't think so. All right, XRP. I'm going to be taking profit here at the I think XRP in the next, while Bitcoin is going up to 35 to 50K, I think XRP is about to rip. Like, we're breaking out of multiple weeks and months of resistance. We're breaking out of it right now. I think XRP is literally about to rip. Probably going to go as high as like $1.10 while Bitcoin is going to 35 to 50K. I'm going to be taking some profits on XRP at like 88 cents. Personally. Now, maximum retracement is $1, or retracement is $1.69. Max retracement is $2.35. Parabolic level for XRP is $11.45. Realistically, I'm going to be dollar cost averaging out $5 all the way up to $11. What up, broski? What's up? Thoughts on VRA? I'm pretty sure VRA has already had a pretty big move, if I remember correctly. Mark says, what is dollar cost average? Dollar cost average means to buy a little bit each and every week, regardless of what the price is. And for 99% of people, that is the best strategy. Is to just automate, like, whatever it is for you. Everyone's 100% is different. My 100% effort is going to be different than your 100% effort. But let's say your 100% is you cut out Starbucks. And let's say you spend $50 a week at Starbucks. Well, you could make your own coffee and say like $40. Maybe it costs you $10 a week to make your own coffee. You take that $40 and you automate it to where it buys every single week regardless of price. Up, down, or sideways, you're going to buy $40 every single week regardless of price. That is what dollar cost averaging is. And over time, you're going to catch the highs, the lows, but in reality, you're going to get, it's mostly sideways. Like I said, crypto, 90% of the market looks like this. Just sideways and boring. So, like, look at the great price you would have had. Like, okay, here's XRP, for example. If you were dollar cost averaging on the top end of the range, you know, and we're even still here. We're still at this point. 1,087 days to get the average price of 38 cents. So if we go to the 236, that's a 1.2x. If we go to, you know what I mean? If we go to $11, that's a 27x. 1,800 days to get a 27x. That dollar cost averaging is like so powerful. Hey Turbo, it's not bad advice because check it out. If you dollar cost average every single week, you're not getting this price every single week. You're averaging your price down. Because all-time highs, they don't live there very long. Even Bitcoin, the most slow mover, this parabolic rise right here, out of the last 48 months prior to this, this was 4 months. This right here was 4 months. So out of 48 months, 4 look like this. So that means you have 44 months of price that is below this. Thank you for the follow, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Steo, I got you. But generally, though, I'll be taking profit at certain levels. But 99.99% of the time, guess what? We're not at new all-time highs. Thank you for the follow, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Core is on the list, brother. But if you're not like me and like just obsessed at looking at charts like that, you're gonna make money. You could have bought Bitcoin at any point in time. Any point in time. All-time high, all-time low, somewhere in between, it doesn't matter. Does not matter. If you would have held for 3 years, guess what? You would have made money. You can't say that about anything else. How long do you think before XRP rips? Dude, no joke. XRP could rip any day now. I have no idea. Like, XRP is the most boring coin. It's the most boring and sideways coin until it's not. And when it rips, it rips. There's no memos that are sent out. Like, it just rips. And then it's boring and sideways for like 1,000 days. He said boring. Yeah, like we've been in the same range for like forever. Says, I don't know, bro. I think you rock. Sorry for the bad word. Can't believe you're in the military. Prove it. Let me see your honorable discharge. It's too much, too much, personally identifiable information on my DD-214. I'll show you guys some pictures sometime. He said, I got 3,000 XRP. It ain't much, but it's honest work. You think we launch after grabbing liquidity? Probably. Like we're in the middle of a move right now, so like we got to see how this move finishes. Honestly, like we're in the middle between here and here is like we're in the middle. We could easily come back and then go, or we could just keep going. So we need to see how this move's gonna finish out. Alright, let's get some of these other coins. $3,000 XRP is a solid start for sure, bro. It's more than most people got. Alright, Core. Core, XLM, SGB, XDC, VRA, Steo. Alright, Core, there's not... This isn't enough trading data. This isn't enough trading data for Core. I mean, I can like try, but I don't think this is going to be very accurate. 377, 12, 18, DMTR when Bitcoin 35. I think the C is pretty much done, but a back test wouldn't be weird. A back test of 25,300 would be very healthy, actually. XLM. DMTR, I got you, bro. Automatic rally, 11 cents. Retracement for XLM, 49 cents. Max retracement, 66 cents. Parabolic level, $3. SGB. Damn, this thing's just like making new lows. That's not a good sign to me. If it's making new lows at this stage of the market, that's not good. Automatic rally is 2 cents. Retracement, 7. Max retracement, 10 cents. I don't think this thing's going to make new all-time highs. If it's making new lows at this stage in the market, that's not good. 48 cents is the max, though. Not good that it's making new lows at this stage. XTC, VRA, Steo, DMTR. Bro, XRP or XTC is just ripping. So this is a bit of resistance that's going to be fighting through the next level for like 5 cents pretty much. The 236 is at 6 cents. It wouldn't be weird to come back and backtest at 3.7 cents. Retracement for XCC is 10 cents. Maximum retracement 14 cents. Parabolic level 63 cents. VRA, Steo, DMTR. Yeah, VRA has already been parabolic. Came all the way to the 1618, which is the lower end of the parabolic level. Hopefully you took profit. Kind of filled out this range. That's good. It came all the way back to the 0.5 actually. Now back to previous all-time highs. So it's kind of fighting this point right now. In between this range between the 702 and the 0.5. Or I'm sorry, the all-time high. Oh, did I not do Matic? I got you. Now the next level is going to be the 2618 at 1.6 cents, and the max is 2.1 cents. This has already done a lot of the moves though. All right, I got you after DMTR for Matic. I forgot to write that one down. So it could get to 20 cents pretty easily. I don't know anything about the tokenomics on this though. So like I don't know what the inflation looks like, but 20 cents would be like very easy. It could get as high as probably the 0.5, $1.5. Matic's in my top 10. I love Matic. I use Matic actually. I try to actually use Matic over Ethereum. Oh, I forgot to write that down. My bad, bro. NXRA. Alright, so Matic already hit the 0.5, which is like the lower end of the retracement. So it already had a huge move. From the bottom, Matic had a 4x. So this is already a huge like move in the bear market. And it just kind of keeps like just grinding its way up here. Yeah. Anyways, the next level is going to be $2 to the $2.14 to the 702. Parabolic level for Matic is $9.50. Will it go to the 382 level? It's under the 382 level right now. It's actually like more close to fighting against it. 129 is pretty much the 382 level. I think most people are taking profits in a couple hours. Yeah, it's gonna be volatile for the Fed. This week is gonna be volatile. I have no idea what's in store for us this week. Sorry, I mean 0.30 level. I don't know what you're saying. Like the 236? Like here at the bottom? Like, do I think it's going to go back to 33 cents? Like, not likely. DMTR. I did DMTR, bro. When to enter in a long. If Bitcoin backtest 25,300, this is not financial advice, but I will heavily consider entering into a long. Alright. NXRA. I said 20 cents as high as 1.5, $1.50 for the retracement, somewhere in between there. But 20, I said I didn't know anything about the tokenomics, so 20 cents seems likely. NXRA. I didn't. I skipped it. Whoever said NXRA, there's not enough data for this, bro. You need at least a year of trading data in order to do an accurate analysis. So you can give me a different coin. I'll do it for you. Alright, so this thing already to the automatic rally. Pretty much trading at the automatic rally. Came up, hit the 236, came back down to the automatic rally. The next level, the retracement is going to be $2.86. Maximum retracement, $3.90. And parabolic level, $19.80. Alright guys, put your coins and questions in the chat. Take a little bathroom break. I'll be back in 2 minutes. Welcome back to the Matrix. Alright, she said, oh my god, Jasmine! Is OMG a coin? Alright, 2 cents. 2.1 cents is the automatic rally for Jasmine. Alright, I got you. I thought you were like, oh my god, do Jasmine. Retracement. Caesar, what is up, bro? 9.3 cents. Maximum retracement, 13 cents. Parabolic level, 66 cents. Rose, got you. Hold up, let me fix my camera. Rosy dozies. Hello, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Out of the night, Jasmine. What's up, bro? The real hero out of the night. The savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
It's your Skeeter boy. Alright, OMG, and then we'll check out Rose. I've never heard of OMG. Your official Instagram, at your boy Ski. There was like an impersonator. That's why I made my Instagram private. Someone was trying to impersonate me, and I haven't been able to figure out a way to block who I'm following. And this like loser was messaging all these people that I was following, pretending to be me. Like message my little brother and all this other stuff. It's like, oh my gosh. So I'm working on that, but I'm at your boy Ski. My Instagram is private, so I have to approve you guys one by one, just because these low life, scum of the earth, individuals. But yeah, I'm at your boy Ski. What do I think interest rate will be on Wednesday? I think they're gonna pause. If they don't, I don't think they have a choice but to pause. There's no way they go more than 0.25 though. I actually think it's gonna be 0. I mean, honestly, like, it's irrelevant at this point because they've already bailed out the banks. So they can call it 0.25, but they literally already turned the money printer back on fully. Like no not even pausing. When they bail out the banks like that, that is full on money printer. Someone did a breakdown of like over the last year of them doing quantitative tightening, 0.75, 0.75, 0.5. A year of tightening. They took all that back, or half of it back, in a day. In one day of them bailing out the banks, they took half of all of that pain. They took it all back. As far as the money that they sucked out of the market, they took half of all the money that they sucked out, put it all back into the market in one day. Crazy. Space ID is going to launch on Binance launched paid pad tomorrow. I haven't heard anything about that. They could hike it again and increase the reserves for the banks and keep taxing the banks for access. Like, they can say that they're going to raise rates, but to me at this point it's irrelevant because they've already like actually turned the money printer back on. They can call it whatever they want, but that's what's happening right now. When they're saying, when the banks are collapsing and the Fed is saying, we will deposit liquidity for you, have no fear, like, that is the money printer being turned back on. They can call it however they like, but they've already pivoted. It's just when they officially do it as far as rate hikes, that's going to be a different story. But like, as far as actuality and like relevancy of like what it does to the markets, they've already pivoted. What do you think about Pi Network? I don't have any thoughts on Pi Network, but I'll take a look at the charts. At this stage of the market, I have focused heavily on my top 10 coins. I will be pivoting into smaller stuff in the next stage of the market. Alright, OMG. So we're already to the automatic rally here at 237. Retracement is $8.88. Max retracement $12.40. Parabolic level for OMG is $59. So that's my thoughts on the interest rate. Like, it's going to be a really volatile week, so I'm really interested to see like what's going to happen. There's a lot of stuff coming down the pipe this week. You can mine it. Interesting. Why does Gala not have a max supply on CoinMarketCap? A lot of coins don't have a max supply. Ethereum doesn't have a max supply. Filecoin doesn't have a max supply. A lot of coins that I like that don't have a max supply. Rose. So I'm tracking that they're burning Gala supply. That is what I'm tracking. Rose retracement 27 cents. Max retracement 38 cents. Parabolic level for Rose is going to be $1.83. Yeah, so this is going to be a big week for crypto. It's going to be a big week for the banks. This is going to be a big week for the stock market. Lots of things coming down the pipe this week. So I'm interested to see how things are going to play out. But as far as I'm concerned, they can call it whatever they want. They can say 0.25, they can say 0, they can say 0.5. It doesn't matter. Because effectively, they've already turned the money printer back on. They've already put back into the market half of the money that they took out over the last year. They already put it back in the market in a matter of days. So they can call it whatever they like. But that's the reality of things. At this stage in the market, where we're at right now, for me, any dips that we have, I will be buying. Like, we are no more in a downward sideways slope. Like, we're no longer in this action right here. So any dips that we have in the market, like, I'm going to be buying these dips. Because I think that this is exactly what we're going to have in the market. All of 2023 is going to look like this. That's actually pretty good right there. All of 2023 is going to look like this. Sideways and slightly up. So any more dips that we have in the market, I'm going to be buying. So if they do say 0.25 and it's a bloody day, like, could be a good buying opportunity. Because ultimately, I think we're going to be trending all up in 2023. Why do they burn supply? Because price equals supply and demand. If the supply is too high, the price cannot go up. And also, if the supply is too high, the demand could be lower because the price won't go up. So they're trying to make it more of a rare thing so that more people will buy, so that they have more liquidity, they have more money. At this stage of the market, I'm focused on my top 5, top 10, which are the big coins. When we have a big pullback in the market, I'm going to rotate into some smaller alts. But right now, like the Bitcoin dominance is really heavy, 46%. That's going to turn over soon. So at this stage, like Bitcoin's already had a lot of the moves, but Ethereum hasn't. Like Ethereum hasn't moved the same way that Bitcoin has. Same thing, XRP hasn't moved the same way that Bitcoin has. Quant hasn't moved the same way that Bitcoin has. So Bitcoin is stealing all the dominance right now. And you're going to see that turn over on itself. And then the altcoins are going to go. What's on your up and coming watch list? Are you talking about like on TradingView or like actually? Like what am I keeping my eye on or like this on TradingView? Potential new. I got my eye on Dent. Dent for sure is one that I'm like doing some pretty heavy research on. Is Phantom a Dex? I don't know. Let me look at some of these. Jason, thank you for the follow, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Little concern due to FTX involvement. On which one? According to this, it is a privacy-based Layer 2 solution for Anchor blockchain platform. Mena, por favor. I got you. Have I done Mena in the past, out of the night? Solana. Yeah, I'm not a fan of Solana. I am not a fan of Solana. That's just me, though. Alright, let me do some out of the night's coins. And then I'll come back to yours. I think I've done... I don't have my notes till Wednesday night. Oh, okay. No worries. Ah, shit. I didn't mean to put Adam here. Retracement, 24/7. For Adam, $24.70. Max retracement, $32. Parabolic level for Adam, 144. So yeah, bro, I got my eye on Ergo, Flux, Dent, and Sauce are kind of my low market caps that I'm looking at to rotate after we finish this move. AVAX, I'm going to do AVAX and then I'll go back to Mena. And then I'll do the rest of yours. Yeah, I'm really, the more I look into Flux, the more interested I am. It's not only decentralized in nature, how the rewards are paid out is decentralized. So like, I'm really interested in Flux. I'm biased for sure because I mine it, but $22 automatic rally retracement level, $74 max retracement, $98. Thank you for the roses, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Parabolic level, $450. All right, Mana. Automatic rally for Mana, 92 cents. Retracement level is $2.83. Max retracement is $3.88. Parabolic level 18.8. Try to help your mom's channel, bro. That's unfortunate. But yeah, just try to help your moms. Think you will like it. XDB. I'll check it out. When will the last Bitcoin halving be? Like, we'll be dead and gone. Like 150, or sorry, like 2150 or some shit. I don't remember. AXS CRV. Automatic rally, $23. Retracement is $77. Max retracement is $108. Parabolic level, $534. Where is Bitcoin projected for 2025? I'll be completely out at 188,000. The max is 207 according to the Fibonacci's. But realistically, like anything above 88,000 and 188,000 is where I'm going to be dollar cost averaging out. Yeah, that's a good, he said there's too many projects. I need to chill and avoid coin hopping too much. Yeah. That's at this stage of the market, like it's best to just pick 10 coins, really 5 coins, but 10 coins and just dollar cost average into those. I had that same problem when I first got into crypto, but right now I'm only holding like, I think I'm holding like 11 coins. I'm gonna move some of my profits into other coins later on, but right now, like I'm really only focusing on like my top 5 actually. I'm holding 11 coins, but I'm only really focusing on my top 5. Do you think Bitcoin's really going to get that high? In 2025, I do. Yeah. 88,000 easily. Because like what's going to bring it up is, I mean, the dollar's going to be collapsing. Institutions need to park their money somewhere. And so, like, the next bull run is going to be regulations, followed by trillions of dollars from institutions, followed by the dollar completely collapsing. What are my top 5? My top 5 is Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Quant, HBAR. Yeah, it's just, he says, learn my lesson, don't coin hop, leads to regret. Bought in Dematic at 21 cents, sold at 35 cents. Yeah, it's just the truest thing in the market. The truest thing in finances. It's like, it's so boring, it's so cliche, but it's just, it's true. It's a cliche because it's true. Time in the market beats timing the market. So just dollar cost average. And if you do take a little profit, like, I'm a believer in taking profit, but you don't got to take your whole bag. Take like 10% increments, in my opinion. %10 increments is the way to go. Let's say you had $100 on something. And my rule is every time it doubles, take 10%. So let's say you invested $100 into coin X. X went to $200. Well, if you take 10%, that'd be $20. And you still have $180 to ride. Let's say it doubles again. It goes to $400. Take another 10%. That's $40. Now you've taken out 60%. You've taken out over half of your initial investment. CoinX doubles again and it goes to $800. Take out $80. Now you're in the green and you still have a lot. Anytime you double, take it 10% off the table. And when Coinbase is top 10 in the App Store, top 20 in the App Store, consider taking profits on a lot of stuff. Because that's when we're getting near the end. Right now, as of a week ago, Coinbase isn't even in the top 200. Floki versus Baby Doge. Oh. I feel like Floki is actually has the lower supply. I don't know. I don't hold either one of them. I'd probably pick Floki just because that's a cooler name. I don't hold either one of them though. I don't hold either coin. Alright guys. Got a big week this week. At this stage in the market, any dips that we have, I will be buying. I don't think we're any more down and sideways action. I think it's up and sideways. So any dips that we have at this stage in the market is a blessing in my opinion. XRP will probably 10x. Anal Kumar. XRP will probably 10x. Ethereum is probably going to 10x. Quant will 10x. Matic is probably going to 10x. Dead arse. My man, let's go. 2 quant today. I plan on buying 1 a week from here on out. Do you look at price or percentage when taking profit? Percentage. I mean, I look at both of them. But percentage is really what I'm looking at. Did you ever do insure? I thought I did. If I skipped it, I'm sorry, bro. What is rainbow currency token? I have no idea. You think Bitcoin's hitting 40 beans? I think so. I hope XRP goes to the moon. Me too, bro. I think XRP's about to rip, honestly. We just broke out of like over 700 days. How big will Quan be? Price wise, between 1,000 and 1,400 is the next bull run. Use case, like, it's gonna be massive. Insure. Just got a fold card. 2,500 XRP. That's it's a solid bag. More than most have. Most think you can't even get it in the United States. Oh, I think I clicked on this, bro. Let me see. Automatic rally, 90 cents. Retracement for insurance, $4.90. Max retracement, $6.90. Parabolic level, $35. Alright guys, big week this week. I'll be buying the dip and dollar cost averaging. At this stage of the market, any dips is a blessing. We are back into that, in my opinion. Any dips is a blessing. I put out a post earlier. We're heading into Ramadan and Lent. I'm not trying to convert anybody or anything like that. I'm not even Catholic or Islamic. However, I will be fasting during this time. So if you guys want to challenge yourself and you guys want some emotional support, just like I was emotional support at 19K Bitcoin, I can do that for you guys as well. So I'm going to be fasting. I'm going to do a 3-day fast, a 5-day fast, and a 10-day fast during Ramadan. The most I've ever done is 5 days. Why is everyone bullish on crypto while the banks are collapsing left and right? Check it out, bro. The entire reason that Bitcoin was created in the first place was because of the distrust in the banking system, because of the distrust in the Ponzi scheme that is the US dollar. That is why people are bullish on it. It was created because of the 2008 financial crisis, because of the banks collapsing, because of the Ponzi scheme getting called in, because of the chicken coming to crow on the Ponzi scheme that is the US dollar. That is why. He says macroeconomics. Does fasting including eating up the dip? It does. I will break my fast by eating up the dip. Macroeconomics is screaming recession. Check it out, bro. We've been in a recession for a year. I know that they changed the definition. We are rounding the corner. The Fed just bailed out the banks. You know what that means? Money printer go burr. Macroeconomics has nothing to do with price in the medium term or the short term. It only matters big picture. The entire reason that cryptocurrency was created in the first place was because of the distrust in the financial institution. So you're seeing it collapse. It does not shock me at all that Bitcoin is running. Does not shock me at all that is running. Not only that, but I made multiple videos saying, if you show me the charts, I will show you the news. I will tell you the news. I said, right here, at 19,000, everyone's wife, boyfriend said it was going to go lower. Macroeconomics, bro. Recession, bro. And I said we're much more likely going to 25,300 before we go any lower than 18,000. And I was so confident that the bottom was in, that if we made a new low below 15,000, I would shave my mustache. That's how confident that I was in my thesis. Show me the charts and I'll tell you the news. I said this is a reversal. We are going to reverse in the next couple of days. And literally the next day we reversed. Because macroeconomics has nothing to do with price. Like, look at this. Here's an example. This was C19. This was the C19. The whole world was shut down. Went on one of the craziest parabolic rises in history while the entire world was shut down. Macroeconomics has nothing to do with price. Virtually nothing. It is one of the most lagging indicators known to man. Show me the charts, I'll tell you the news. Not the stash. The stash ain't going nowhere. COVID high was the biggest wealth transfer. That's right. We're going to have more. People keep following narratives. They're going to keep transferring wealth. Because narratives have nothing to do in the short to medium term on what price is doing. There's a reason that the inverse Kramer is a thing. All he does is do narratives. I'm biased towards, he says, will it fall back or all the way up for Bitcoin? I'm biased towards a back test on 25,300 would be beautiful, and that would be a continuation. Thank you for the roses, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
He says, I just bought a LPAL cold wallet. Explain real quick how it works. I don't have one. But generally, a cold wallet is like a safe in your house for your crypto. An exchange is like buying silver at a silver shop. You wouldn't buy your silver at a silver shop and then leave your silver there. An exchange is the same thing. You're exchanging your fiat into crypto. You shouldn't leave it there. So I don't have one of those, so I can't like recommend it, or I can't say like, but generally that's what it is. It's like a safe in your house. Kyle Lodge says down first, then rocket. That's my bias. Is there some indicator to get out of liquidity pools? Litecoin halving. That all the other halvings besides Bitcoin are irrelevant, bro. Flux had a halvening, the price is the same. Chia had a halvening, the price is the same. Ravencoin had a halvening. Like all the halvenings are irrelevant besides Bitcoin. But it still can be in the exchange. Just like you move it off the exchange to your wallet, and when you want to sell, you can just go back to the exchange. You just press send. It's just one button. You think XRP will win the case? I do. I've been following the case. They haven't won a single point with the judge. And by they, I mean the SEC. So they have like different things that they debate over, different topics. They literally have not won one single thing at all. Not one. So for a lack of better words, basically XRP is Johnny Depp and the SEC is Amber Heard. They're getting dominated. So yes, I'm very confident that they're going to win the case. But again, show me the charts and I'll tell you the news. Honestly, it's irrelevant. It's only affected in the United States anyways, which our currency is about to tank anyways. No. The only reason that you would lose your money on your hardware wallet is if you give your keys to someone, which you should never ever do, or if you authorize a transaction that you did not yourself initiate, which you should never ever do. If an exchange goes down that you bought your crypto from, but it's on your wallet, you are safe, my friend. And that's the point. Yeah, like, so Mark says, but even if they win, they're going to appeal, so they may drag out longer than you think. Yeah, like, bro, just look at that. What's that documentary on Netflix about oh, what's his name? I can't even think of his name. The guy with the Ponzi scheme, Madoff. Like, it took them decades. It took the SEC decades to get that thing solved. Like, they do not move fast. Crypto Gambino says, Ski! What's up, bro? Only if you share your seed phrase. That's right. If you don't share that, you are safe. Yo, boy, Ski! Can I get my wings? Can I get my wings? I don't know what you're talking about, bro. Get your wings, bro. Did you watch The Crypto King on Netflix? I think I've seen it. Young Skeezy. I can't remember if I watched that one or not. Is that about the guy who took everybody's crypto? I don't remember if I watched that or not. I am biased. He says, where are we going in Bitcoin in the short term? I'm biased to a pullback to 25,300. But we're in the middle of a move. So it's hard to tell where we're going to go. Like, it's hard to tell at this point because we're in the middle of a move. But I'm biased towards a micro pullback. At this point, zoom in on your charts, please. I'm biased towards a pullback right now, but at this stage of the market, this is like, I think we are no longer sideways and down like we were all last year. At this stage of the market, any dips that we have, I will be buying them because I think it's going to be sideways and up all of 2023. So any dips in the market, I'm going to be buying the dips on anything that happens. Any pullbacks is a blessing. When could Bitcoin possibly hit 44K? I mean, I think the rest of the move is going to be before May. What's up? Do you like Alliance Block Project? I have no thoughts. Stop losses. I don't have any open longs right now. So just on my crypto, I'm just accumulating. How do you feel about the Feds tomorrow? It's going to be a really volatile week. Very volatile week. So that's why it's a lot of volatility this week, and we're in the middle of a move. Like, we're in between two parts of the move. So it's honestly pretty hard to see in the short term where we're going to go. It wouldn't be weird to get rejected off the 236 here, this red line. Come back down to the 25,300. That's where I'm biased towards. But we could bust right through this thing because of this as well. So, like, in the markets, we kind of have a like a yin-yang thing that happens a lot. So when you see these, like, big moves to the downside, they typically happen equal time to the upside, and vice versa. When you have a big move to the upside, you typically have a equal move in time to the downside. So we have all these moves right here. So, like, just as much time as this took is as much time as it's going to take it all back. Just like right here. This time right here to the downside, you have the same thing to the upside. So it's like a yin-yang of the market. So a micro pullback wouldn't be weird, though. To maximize earnings for newbies, I would just stick with Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, like the big three. That's what I would do. How long have I been studying charts? Years. Hours and hours and hours. You can, like, there's stuff, there's like Trading in the Zone. There's different books you can read about it. But really the only thing that's going to, like, really, there's no substitute for just 10, 12 hours a day just staring at charts. There's no substitute for just putting in the time. When you look at charts, you want to have a specific thing that you're looking at that you want to get out of it. Like, have a goal. Like, what today are we looking to get out of this? There's really no substitute. Like, there's different books you can do and all this, and those are all great, but there's really no substitute to just doing it. How can you buy XRP in the US? I have a link in my description for Uphold. I believe Uphold just changed their bonus. I think if you deposit $600 in the first 30 days, you get $50. But there's different ways to buy XRP. You can buy XRP on the ledger. You can buy XRP on BingX. You can buy XRP. But Uphold's probably the easiest way. You can buy it on KuCoin. BitTrue. XRP is dope. XRP is my biggest bag. I have a price target of about a 20x. Yeah, whoever suggested EDM today, definitely feeling it. What do you think Bitcoin exit point should be? 32K? Yeah, when we get above 31K, I'm going to start dollar cost averaging out. But I think 35 to 50K, and pretty much that's the percentages that I'm going to take. So like if we get about 35K, I'm going to exit about 30. And if we get up as high as 50K, I'm going to exit about 50%. XRP versus Gala. Who are you taking in a run? XRP. Easy. Thank you for the follow, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
David Lee 777 says, can you advise me through buying? Thank you for the follow, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Can you advise me through buying crypto trust wallet using exchanges? Hey, David Lee, if you want to get on my calendar, tier 2 of my Patreon, you can get on my calendar. We can do a video meeting, and I can help you with any problems you have in crypto. So I can walk you through all that on my calendar. It's tier 2 on my Patreon. That's correct. New moon. He said, full moon is bearish. What's bullish? A new moon is bullish, which I believe is today. Mike Caps, you think will surprise? Dent, Flux, Ergo, Sauce are my favorite micro caps. Know a good crypto investor, have funds, just need advice and guidance. I'm not sure what your question is. Is that a statement? I'm unsure. Mike, if you want to get on my calendar, tier 2 of my Patreon, we could do a Zoom call. I do portfolio reviews, exit points, critiques, sustainments, improvements, exit points to consider. It's tier 2 on my Patreon. Link is in my description. We can set up a 30-minute meeting. Just hit me up with all your, in my Patreon, after you subscribe, hit me with all your pains, your crypto pains that you need solved, problems you need solved, as well as your holdings and percentages. You still think Bitcoin 35 to 50K with all the bank drama and interest rates? I do. I mean, I'm open to 31K. But 35 to 50K. And honestly, the more bank drama that happens, the better it bodes for Bitcoin. Because that's why Bitcoin was created in the first place. Was because of the distrust in the financial system. What's your take on XRP and Quant? XRP and Quant are both in my top 5. XRP is my number 1 holding. Hi. What is up? Prosper, thank you for the follow, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Says I got 5 coins and they're your top 5. Let's go. Tucker, thank you for the roses, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Jason, 83, thank you for the follow.
But the cream will
Thank you for the
rise to the
follow.
top, oh yeah.
Ravender.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
We got a lot of cream rising to the top. Tucker, thank you for the follow, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Sauce price target. Listen, there's not enough data. There's no, like, there's a little bit of trading data. There's a little bit of trading data, but not enough to do a price prediction. But I'll just say like this. It is the same supply as Uniswap, and it does the same thing as Uniswap, except it's for the H-bar network. So I think easily it could get to $1 in the bull run. Lots of viewers tonight. Let's go. Run it up. Run it up. Run it up. Will you do a video on your favorite micro caps? Favorite ones are Sauce, Flux, Ergo, Dent. XLM and XRP move together. That is correct. Whatever XRP does, XLM is going to be doing too. I'm not holding it. I'm just looking at it. I'm looking to rotate profits into Dent. What was your question? Ski, thanks for everything, bro. But my eyes are getting heavy. It's Mom Spaghetti. He's nervous. His eyes are getting heavy. Hey, thanks for hanging out with me, bro. When do you think we will see 20K Bitcoin? It would be a full moon. October. The October eclipse, we could see a full moon. Or we could see a 20K Bitcoin. He's got drool on his sweater already. About the IS coin that they say will be bigger than Bitcoin, called Next Gen Coin. They won't is. Bro. They won't say the name of it. The winner, in my opinion, is XRP. What do you think about Anchor and Microsoft working together? That's bullish, bro. For Anchor, if that's true. Jake says alts need to kick into gear. Bitcoin's pulling away daily. That's why it's the Bitcoin dominance, which is why I say when people ask me, like, you know, why don't you hold this? Why don't you hold that? Like, at this stage in the market, I'm only focusing on my top 5, top 10 coins, because I know that Bitcoin's going to steal the dominance. Now, when this dominance starts to roll over and the alts start to take off, that is an indicator to me that this little micro move, this retracement, is getting close to being finished when the Bitcoin dominance heads back down. Right now it's at 46.4. When this thing starts getting in the mid 30s, that lets me believe that this micro is almost over. This move is almost over. Jesus, if I could speak. God first. Thank you for the follow, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
If I had to guess, did some research, the info I gather from it, I think it's called Pivx. Interesting. Pivx. Offering an enterprise node services. Very interesting. They said they will be bigger than Bitcoin. They can say a lot of things, bro. Until I see it, I'll believe it then. I think the only one that has a chance of overthrowing Bitcoin is Seawolf. Thank you for the follow, you savage.
But the cream
David, thank you for
will
the follow, you
rise to the
savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
I think the only couple coins that have a chance of overthrowing Bitcoin for market cap is Ethereum, XRP. That's pretty much it. Quant probably could in like a decade, but I don't even know about Quant overthrowing it. What Bitcoin price will break us out of this move? I'll be like completely exited if we get to 50K. I'm going to start exiting around 31, 35K. But if we get to 50K, like, I'm done. I'm out of the market as far as what I'm not holding, which for me is going to be about 50%. He says, should I take profits now or diamond hands? It depends on how much you're up. Anytime you're up 1x, meaning you have 100% gains, it's a good idea to take 10% off the table. So let's say you have $100. Your $100 goes to $200. If you were to take 10%, you would take $20 off the table. Now you're left with $180. Then maybe it goes to $400. Well, take another 10%. Now you taking $60 off the table, and you're almost completely exited from your initial investment. Once you get your initial investment, then you can like really let it ride. You can really be aggressive about what you've let ride. I'm buying all I can. Have you heard the rumor that Ripple is in talk to move out of the U.S.? That's their contingency plan if they lose the case. See why when I see people charting and they say a coin is pumping, the volume chart is down. I don't know, man. There's like the amount of people that actually know what they're doing, actually know how to navigate charts is less than is appeared. Is far less than appeared. Hopefully, Bitcoin can finally stop struggling at this level. Yeah, this is a big level. We're right at the 236. It's not going to be weird for it to get rejected, in my opinion. But this is a big level, right, where we're fighting. We're at the 236. It's a big level to fight through. Big level. If the SEKs, it would have been over a long time ago. That's right. They're dragging it out as long as they can. They have no power. They have literally not won a single point in any arguments. So they have like 5 or 10 things that they're going to argue over on what's going to be allowed in the argument. And all of the things that they've argued about the argument, they have lost. They haven't won a single point of like, I'm going to allow this, I'm not going to allow this. Like all the things that they wanted or wanted not to happen, they have not gotten. So at this stage, I think that they are just dragging it out as long as possible so that the United States can position themselves better. What is the main driving factor that makes Bitcoin gain? Whatever is the most painful. Like the markets do whatever is the most painful. And so when we were down here, like everybody and their brother was screaming for We're going lower, 15K. I know a lot of people that opened up shorts when we broke through this level right here. When we broke through this box, I know a lot of people that opened up shorts. And so they all got wrecked. Leverage liquor and ladies. Mess up any good man. He says, I know you have a soft spot for XCC. What about XSP? It's down 90%, all-time high. I don't know anything about it. I don't even have a soft spot for XCC. I just have a soft spot for one of my original followers. His name is XDC to $10. One of the OGs. It's built on the XCC network is all. I have a Bitcoin liquidation at 26,500. Yeah, XCC's been pumping. It's difficult to watch this and then try to fall asleep. So much info. Hey, don't worry, bro. I'll be on, pretty much daily, 5-6 days a week. And if you miss it, the whole thing will be on YouTube. So I'm pretty sure you went to YouTube last time. So all my live streams are just going to be on YouTube under live for good. So if you miss any part of it, you can always go back, watch it. I need the watch time anyways. But yeah, I also need to go to sleep. So on that note, I appreciate every single one of you guys. I will be fasting for Ramadan. If you guys want to do that with me, you can do that with me. I'll be doing a 3-day fast, a 5-day fast, and a 10-day fast. I'm not trying to convert you guys to anything. I'm not Islamic or Catholic. I think there's good benefits to fasting. If you want to challenge yourself and you want some emotional support, just like when Bitcoin went to 19K, I'll support you there too. Check out the merch. Links in my description. If you want to buy XRP in the United States, check out my link for Uphold. Where do you find the Colco Vision music, bro? This is Stream Beats. It's some copyright-free music. If you guys want to get on my calendar, I do portfolio reviews. That's tier 2 of my Patreon. If you want to get on my calendar, I do portfolio reviews as well as exit points. Any pains you have in the crypto market on stuff that you're struggling with, I will get an answer for you on that if you guys want to do that. Make sure you subscribe to YouTube at your boy Ski. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at your boy Ski. I'm on Twitter. Camera's done. I'm on Twitter at Gayeski. I'm on Twitch at your boy Ski. But I appreciate every single one of you guys. How the heck do I move Bitcoin from Uphold to Uphold from Coinbase? You just hit send. You click on the asset on Coinbase, hit send, copy your address on Uphold from Bitcoin receive, copy that, paste it into the Bitcoin send, and then you do a test amount. Coinbase to Uphold. Always do a test amount first. But yeah, that's it for this time. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Peace, love, prosperity. God first,